Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the new Cocoa Daisy collection called Cedar and Snow, and I will be doing one project with the contents of this unboxing. So Cedar and Snow is the collection for December. It is available soon. My dates are always off on that, so I'll leave as much as I can linked down below. For me, on the design team, I get sent the Scrapbooking Core Kit that you can get just by itself, but I also get the simple Dori Add On as well as the pocket card add-ons. And then I also get sent the journaling kit. If you are familiar, these are what I've been using, I think, mostly for the past 3 months for sure. Yeah, I think I have 3 inserts so far. And I have liked the switch because I used to also get the 12 by 12 patterns papers, and in order to switch and do the Dori, I had to give up either the pocket cards or the 12 by 12s, and I did the 12 by 12s so that way I can show products in the Dori. And it actually has been quite a nice exchange. And I will say, do I have it here? No. I had September, October, November, and the September booklet, if I'm looking around my desk right now, I did, for the most part, complete it up. So I will have probably a flip there I'll just do on Instagram of just other small little layouts I did in the Dori, but it's a fun size journal, you know, the traveler's notebook, to fill up if you can do it monthly. And so I've been trying to strive myself. So let's go through the collection so that you can see the pattern papers. So we have a poinsettia and the holly and some just foliage and the pine cones. Just looks very, very classic, very elegant. We have a pink with a red polka dot. And that's a blank one. We have a tone-on-tone green stripe. A blank one. This like scrap collage side. Very cute. I like the trees. I like the fern. Very nice. Ooh, the double page like ledger with the foliage on both corners that has the holly and the pine cones and the pine needles. We have a nice quote. A green and cream plaid. A tag sheet, tone-on-tone repeating pattern, kind of what the cover reminds me of, so that pine needles and holly, a little bit different but similar. Green on green repeating pattern. Some music note paper, mint green with white polka dots. Merry Christmas text on a splattered background, if you can see that. A plaid. Blank. Another plaid, a cream and black plaid. And then the back cover. So that gives you like an understanding of what the collection looks like. For the cards, we always have the one that marks the month. It has the collage background. A postcard and the month. Ooh, I like this. A photo challenge with 31 little prompts. This will be a good year. Very cute for the 4x6. Then for the 3x4. Wish list. Love that one. Those are those photorealistic pictures. Very pretty. I like that. That's cute with the repeat stamping. Cute. The little definition. That's pretty. Pretty. Recipe card. Love that one. There's the quote again. The music paper. So you can see how some of the elements repeat onto the cards as well, which really make the kit cohesive. Very pretty. Very pretty. Alexa's driveway. There's that collage again. Good one. Love that. Oh, love that. Very pretty too. And there's the month card, December fun. And that's the same font too as, yeah, as that one. So those are the add-on pocket page cards. Then let's do the scrapbooking kit. So we have a like almost a brown and cream washi tape. The die cuts. These are usually the cardstock ones that have, yeah, adhesive on the back. Tags, a couple of icons, a few more in there. Vellum snowflakes. Those look fun. Definitely for that winter vibe. And they're on vellum. And they have like a blue, gray, and like a pink print snowflake on top. Very cute. Very delicate. Very delicate. Okay. Here are the colorways and the enamel dots. My stamp set. Mine doesn't have the black overlay, but it seems to be the December definition. December memories, winter. We got that pine with a pine cone. Another like pine needles. This one says, what does it say? Warm and cozy. This one says family time. Right. What does that say? Picture perfect moments together. And then brr. So that's cute. Those are all usable icons. In the glassine bag, there are trim and 2 tags. The chipboard pieces. A great alpha in a mint sagey color. You see that? Yeah. Oh, stickers. Oh, that are all like push pins. Oh, that's going to be hard to see. Hold on. That are all push pins and paper clips. Cute. Look at that. That's new. Here's a rub-ons. Then 2 pieces of cream white cardstock. Here's that great foliage and everything. Usually, yeah, you get 2 of everything. So, hold on. I'm trying to separate them and then show you the pattern. Okay. So you got the foliage, a blue on blue stripe, the green plaid, tonal leaves, the ledger with the pines. That one's very pretty. And then the black and white plaid. Fantastic. Okay. And then lastly is the journaling kit. So this one, remember, is always the flatter embellishments, which I like for the journaling. So you do get another piece of a set of washi. Let me show you. This one. Okay, so here is that foliage washi. This is really pretty. Very detailed, if you can see that. Tons of detail. Really, really pretty. Okay, so that's the washi in the journaling kit. Then we have the prompt card. So December is simple wish that brings spectacular moments. Oh, that's beautiful. And then your journaling prompts. You get 2 more sets of rub-ons. Love. And okay, and then the stickers. You always get a sheet for each of the weeks in a different font for your planners and or if you do daily journaling with enough for the dates. The full sheet of washi stickers. These are the 2. Yeah, these are my 2 favorite prints out of the whole collection. The ledger with the foliage like that. And this one is just simply, it's classic, like classic elegance right there. An alpha in a hunter green color. And then icons, washi strips, and some of those quotes. And this little mixed media moment here is beautiful. And there's that December definition is also what I think is the stamp, that one right there. So really, really pretty. Getting ready for winter stories. So let me clear off my desk and let's do a project together right now using one of these kits. Let's see what I come up with. Hold tight. Okay, so I printed a collage. Let's do a spread in my memory planner. I have the scrapbooking papers from the core kit, and I have the journaling kit with those full sheets of washi. that I always try to use in this, simply because I don't, you know, it's a full page. Like, it's always good to cut them up. So let's definitely probably look at these. I always use one of these fonts to decorate the top. We have the rub-ons, the stamp, we have everything to go. And here is my collage. So let's get started. So once I cut my cluster of photos down, I do my cluster in the app called Multiv. It's the one I usually use, and it's a template for 6 photos on one printout, and I stretch it to a 3:2 ratio in order for it to fit on a 4:6 print, and that's how I get all of these done. So when I'm using the full sheets of washi tape, I tend to like the torn look with them. So for this one, since it had like a little bit of a embellishment cluster in opposite corners, it worked perfectly for just kind of splitting it down the diagonal. And once I did that, I loved the placement, and it gave me plenty of room to where I could put my photos and plenty of room where I can still have the ability to write my stories. Along the top, I did white out the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc., and replaced the sticker, the name, with one of the stickers in blue. I just thought the blue was already highlighted in the washi tape strip, so the sticker sheets, so it was a good color to bring out once again. What I also will say as a tip on it is that I knew, since I was using this collection, I also went ahead and edited my photos, some printed in black and white, and some I just made them into, I think it was called like Drastic Cool filter on the iPhone. And it just made it more of a cool tone blue picture, and that helped in order for the colors not to compete, because I even think the photo with me, my daughter, and my mom, I mean, I think I was wearing like a bright orange shirt, my mom was wearing yellow, and so the colors would have just gone, you know, crazy with the photos. So sometimes I do kind of audition out what photos I want to use and then edit them accordingly for my memory planner. For each of them, I added, as you saw, more of the washi tape sticker sheet that I cut out individually. I added one quote per side. I always just like a look of balance. And then I'm giving a title, At the Park. The picture on the top, she was working on her handstands and cradling, and it got into the evening hours, so the first 2 pictures are all from the park. It was just really cute photos that I managed to take. And then this is the week that the Hurricane Milton came through our state, so I just took a picture of the house right before the hurricane started you know, hitting us, and I just used the title Milton because that'll automatically remind me and trigger my memory on what week this was in my life. So I love keeping up with my memory planner, and it turned out really nice. Okay, that will wrap up this layout featuring the, what is it, Cedar and Snow. So we got a title, a little day at the park, a lot of layering with the washi stickers, a little bit of stamping, a little bit more. That one's really good. And that's a little slanted, but that's okay. We are complete. Okay, I will leave everything linked down below for the 3 kits. Is it 3 kits that I get? The scrapbooking kit, the, you know, simple Dori add-on, the pocket cards, and the journaling kit. If I post this and it's not available yet, it is coming, but since like I said, I'm on the design team, so I get sent so that you get inspired to see what the collection can do for your memory keeping, journal, and planner needs. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.